Hello, first grade. I hope you're doing well, and I just wanted to tell you that I miss you, and I am so sad that we cannot finish this year together, but on a positive note, I'm super excited to see you on Grade Card Day and just to know that I'm going to be able to see you face to face right before summer begins. So I hope that you're doing well, that you're staying safe and healthy, and I just wanted to do some addition practice with you guys so that you can have some activities to practice at home during this time. So I hope that you enjoy this, and it's something that you can easily do. But we're going to be practicing 2-digit plus 2-digit addition, and then also 2-digit plus 1-digit addition. And I know we've already practiced that at school a million times, but always practice is the key. Because we're going to talk about Easter. So Easter was just not long ago, and I'm sure a lot of you had an Easter egg hunt, or you've at least seen Easter eggs in Walmart or any other kind of store that you have been lately. If you've been out to go grocery shopping, Walmart has a lot of Easter eggs. And so I was going to give you a scenario, a story, and we were going to practice our 2-digit plus 1-digit. Two friends had an Easter egg hunt over Easter weekend. One friend found 13 eggs, and the other friend found 7 eggs. So how many eggs did they find all together? And when I say all together, remember that is a clue word that we've talked about. So when we look at different problems, we want to find those clue words to help us know, hey, that's an addition problem, or hey, that's a subtraction problem. But today we're working with addition. And also I want you to think about what are some of the other words, the other clue words that we could find that also mean addition. So all together is not the only one. It may say combined, or it may say in all. So think about those, okay, that we practiced a lot. All right, so I've got my marker, and I've got a piece of paper. So I told you may want to use a piece of paper and a marker. And I want you to write that equation on the paper. So here I have 13 plus 7. So we know that one friend found 13 and the other friend found 7. And we have practiced this many different ways, and so we're going to practice a few of those right now. So what do you think one way we could do by showing something on this piece of paper? Drawings! Yes. Okay, so we're going to use some circles and we're going to do some drawings, okay? So it says 13. Okay, so the first one, remember we can do it up here beside of 13, and we can do the other one beside of 7 to help us. Or you could even make a line or something down here of different ones, okay? So we always want to make bundles of 5 like we're doing it on a tens frame. So we're going to do it here, okay? So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now I've got my 13 circles. Now the other friend though found 7. So we're going to do a row of 5 and 2 more to make 7. Now, when you have your circles, I can easily count on. So I can count, okay, this is 13 and count on 7 to find my total, or sum. Or I can circle bundles of 10 if I wanted to. Whatever is easiest for you, whatever strategy you decide you want to practice and use works, okay? So if I know this is 13 and this is 7 more, I may just do 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay? So 13 plus 7 made 20. Very good, okay? Now, like I said, or you could have circled bundles of 10, so then I would circle this bundle of 10 And then I would know, hey, this is 5, and 2 plus 3 more also makes a bundle of 10. So you could have done it that way. Another way on the dry erase ones that we have in the classroom, at least in my room, but if we have a number line, we have it through 20, so 1 through 20, we know that we can practice checking our answers using a number line by first, remember our problem was 13 plus 7, and we said that our answer was 20. So we're going to first start with our top number, okay? So our top number, and that's our first add-in. We're going to put our, a circle, a dot, okay, on 13, and then we're going to go 7 hops to see if that takes us to 20, because that will show me that 13 plus 7 hops, 7 more, is going to give me 20. So let's see if that's right. So 13, we're on 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then remember, we always circle our answer. So going from 13 to 20, did that take us 7 hops? So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It did. So our answer is correct. Good job. Another way that we've also practiced that is by using this. And I know that you know what it's called, so when I show it, I want you to see if you can say it on here. Well, while watching the video. Alright. This is called a tens frame. Okay, so this is a tens frame because there are 10 spots. And then this one is a 20 frame. Okay, so since our addition problem is within 20, we're going to use this side. So our first number, we can also check our answers by using a 20 frame or a tens frame. So we're going to use the 20 frame. So our first friend had 13. So I'm going to use yellow for her. And this is what we did basically with our drawing. We did rows of 5 to make it look kind of like a tens frame as we were building it. Okay, so I have 13. So this represents my first friend. So she found 13 eggs at the Easter egg hunt. Now, my other friend found 7. So now we're going to see if we can fill in 7 and see if we still get 20. So we have 13, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we use the red so that we can see the difference between our first friend and our second friend. So, did we fill up our 20 frame? Yeah, we did. So, it is right. 13 plus 7 equals 20. So that is our 2-digit plus 1-digit equation. Now, we're going to do a different one. Okay. Now we're going to do a 2-digit plus 2-digit equation. So I've still got my Easter eggs. As you can see, I've got a whole bag full of Easter eggs. Pretty excited about this, okay? I love the colors. I think they're so cute. But, so if I had one friend to find 15 Easter eggs, okay? Now we're going to change the numbers because it's now a 2-digit plus 2-digit, okay? If I have a friend that found 15 eggs, we're at 15. And then the other friend, so here's 15 for the first friend, and the other friend found 11. So now we have a 2-digit, okay? You have your tens place, your ones place, tens place, ones place. I want to know, what is 15 plus 11 more? Okay, so 2-digit number plus a 2-digit number. We're gonna do this the same exact way, okay? So if I have 15, if my friend found 15 and my other friend found 11, now our number, is it going to be a smaller number or a larger number than the answer we got for our last problem? It'll be a larger number because now, instead of a 1-digit number, we have a 2-digit number. So now we're adding 2-digit plus 2-digit. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to practice it with our drawing. We're going to practice it with our tens frame. We're going to practice it with a number line, okay? So, let's see. All right, so if I have 15, remember rows of 5, here's my 15, and then my 11, and I want you to look at this one. Now I told you, again, we know how to count on, so we can count and know, well actually we don't even have to count, because remember, if we know that this is 15, then we just think it, okay? We just know it in our mind, and then we count on the other number. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Or, if you're good at counting by fives, you could do it this way. 15, 20, 25, 26, okay? Or another way is I can circle my groups of 10 and count on that way. So 10, 20, 25, 26, okay? So my answer is blank, and then we go back and we fix it. So I wanted to show you some examples of different things that you could do at home also with this. You know, I bought these Easter eggs at Walmart, and right now they're super on sale. So you could always get you some of these. And I saw something really cute where you can write an equation. Say I want to do 12 plus 3. And then down here on the bottom, you can write different answers. And so you would twist the bottom to wherever the answer in the equation matches. You could do that for those at home, just to practice at home. I also have things like marshmallows. If you wanted to make like Rice Krispie treats, or just wanted to do something fun with marshmallows, or like pieces of candy or M&Ms, or something else random, I have packages of Band-Aids that I got to actually stock up my classroom for next year. Even if you have a box of Band-Aids or anything like that, you could make a math problem out of anything. You can sit and you can make different groups of numbers, add them together. You can practice subtraction that way. But it's fun and it's very good practice. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope that it's something that you can do at home to get outside and find rocks or anything that you can to make a math problem out of it. So also, I wanted to tell you guys about the hcboe.net website for our online resources to help you guys while we're out of school, and it also provides some resources for ELA and for math, and your child can be at home practicing these things, and it gives them things that you can easily print off if you want to, or just some ideas that they can do to make sure that they're continuously learning even though we're not able to be together. So I will include on here a short little clip on how to find it in case you're not sure. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I miss you, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye. Okay, so once you get to hcboe.net, you're going to scroll down to where you see District Online Learning Options for Students and Parents. You're going to click that, and it's going to take you to see different grade levels. You're going to click first grade or whatever grade level you're looking for, and there's an English, language arts, and math options, and it gives you the different weeks of learning and the resources to go along, and also printable resources at the bottom in case you want to do that as well.